Hi, Nicole here, and if you have ever been stuck posting to social media or you're a brand photographer and you want to provide your clients with some unique ideas for posting their brand images, this video is for you. I'm going to run through 15 ways that you can use your brand images on social media, and I'm going to highlight some of my own clients and how they're using their batch of images. All right, here we go. I'm so glad you're here. If this is your first time, I'm Nicole. I am a brand photographer, a strategist, and a video storyteller for creative businesses. And today I thought it would be great to highlight 15 ways that you can use your brand images on social media. Now, I know there's a big push for video on social media now, so keep in mind that even if you have a batch of amazing images, you can convert those into Reels pretty quickly nowadays, so don't forget to use that great tool at your disposal. So I like to put my images into different categories. So the first category is portraits. So here are 5 ways to use your portrait brand images. You have your traditional introduction posts, but you can also highlight and showcase your expertise, announce a new video on your YouTube channel, provide a helpful tip, and also sharing your why. For the next category, we have one of my favorites, action process. So these can be used in a special announcement, showing your behind the scenes, which is everyone's favorite. Pair it with a testimonial. This is a great unique way to kind of do a split image for a post. Talk about the benefits. This is a huge one. When you're trying to set yourself apart, highlighting different benefits of your business is a great post. Talking about your process, another key element to branding your business, building brand awareness, and generating more business, which is what this is all about. Highlighting your process is a great way to set yourself apart as well. Okay, so for the third category is your product and services. And here are 5 ways that you can use these images for your business. This is a great way to call out what makes your business unique. Showcase your offerings, and especially if you're a service-based business, you're going to have different offerings than if you're a product-based business. So this is a great way you can highlight those. Of course, launching new products. Transformations, people love the before, after. Try doing before, during, after, so people can get a piece of that process in a post, which is always great. And lastly, working with clients. Having that client interaction image is great because the person looking at the image can kind of see themselves working with you. So those are always great, powerful images as well. Okay, so those are 15 ways that you can use brand images in social media. I hope if you were stuck, maybe this gave you some good inspiration, or if you wanted to present some unique ideas to your clients, these were always helpful starting off points for that discussion. Let me know if you have any questions, and I hope this was helpful. Bye.